QNT is attempting another breakout to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support that lies between the $68.4 and the $61.3. And at the time of this recording, we are also holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is acting as support. And now all I need to see is a break above our next key area of resistance above the $69.1 before we can easily see an aggressive bounce to the upside in the next coming hours. And on today's video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also give you significant key areas of support that needs to continue holding. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on QNT, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange. And you can see that on sign up, you can now claim a welcome pack of up to 6,200 USDT. And all you need to have for you to register for an account is an email address. And alternatively, you can use your mobile number. Jumping back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lows on the 6th of September over here, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, managed to break above key areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $81, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback in what I have been terming as a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2. Whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows that we made down there to the high above the $81, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, and that is between the $68.5 and the $61.3, which is an area that we have almost fully maximized, and we have now started to see a bit of a reaction to the upside, and there are chances that in the next coming hours we are now going to see a break above our key area of resistance above the 69.1, and the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, maybe with a retest, flipping it back into support, there is a chance that we are going to continue seeing higher prices to the next key area of resistance that lies above the $78. And the moment you manage to break above the $78, then I will be watching for a break above the significant high we made above the $81. And a break above that significant high will be enough confirmation that we are now getting impulsive in what could be the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $104.7. So that is a movement that can play out the moment we manage to break above significant key areas of resistances and the significant high above the $81. But we also need to have in mind that we can also get a sudden pullback, and this is especially if BTC gives us a bit of a dump. And if that is the case, then I will be watching to see QNT hold within our target area over here between the 68.4 and the 61.3. And as long as we continue to hold within this area, there's a chance of another bounce back. But if by any chance we get a sudden pullback and we break to the lower side of this target area, then that will be suggesting that we are going to get a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September below the $56, and a break to the lower side of $56, then that will be suggesting a more bearish case scenario where we can easily see a reset of the lows that we made at the $50. So those are the two alternative scenarios that can play out in case we don't see a break above significant key areas of resistances. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.